Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the second token from Metados. Ticker symbol is second, and this token is on the Avalanche C chain, and it was just announced that this token is also getting a very big central exchange listing coming soon, maybe other central exchange listings as well. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it, and we'll see if we could find any audits or anything like that as well. But this is a brand new token. It says 5 holders on their snow trace here, so basically not even really out yet. But yeah, we're going to go over the information on the second token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So what is Metados? The world's first blockchain-enabled battle royale game. Welcome, Timekeeper. Here you'll find some useful information about Metados, and they are referring to a wiki that is on their webpage. So their webpage is metados.com, and if you click on their wiki, it'll take you over to wiki.metados.com. So the free-to-play to own battle royale game that combines fast-paced gameplay and time as currency concept. Whether you're a seasoned esports competitor or a novice player, our wiki is the ultimate resource for diving into the games economy and gaining valuable insights from our vibrant community. So they have shooting games and blockchain. We developed the first mobile shooting game, Captain Strike, 12 years ago and had the first 1 million users within 2 months. The game was inspired by Counter-Strike, obviously, and we wanted to bring the amazing team deathmatch experience to mobile devices. There was a game I used to be super addicted to called Soldier Front. I actually used to make Soldier Front videos. There's a lot of people subscribed to my channel because of Soldier Front videos I used to make back in the day, and that was very similar to Counter-Strike as well. So shout out to anybody who remembers Soldier Front. It was a huge success for us with experience and lessons. The players were so loyal that they're still requesting us to bring the game back until now, and I'm sure that's the same for Soldier Front as well. In 2017, they also developed a Bullet Strike, one of the first mobile battle royale games. So they received a lot of attention from that as well. In both shooting games, the players lost their items and currency when the game was closed. So that is a big benefit to blockchain and NFTs and things like that. So moving on here, we have the gameplay. So they have the action phase. The combat system is fast-paced and intense, with engagements happening at any time, anywhere. It kind of looks just like Fortnite or whatever. Players must be on their toes at all times and strategize how to plan their route to the best equipment. It seems like this company here just takes other popular games, like they're saying they base the other 2 games off Counter-Strike, and they even have Strike in the name of both of those games. And then if you look at this one, they talk about battle royales and stuff like that, and it looks exactly like Fortnite, right? So it's like, anyways. The strategy element makes the gameplay more fun and exciting. Players have to decide if they want to fight or take time to collect items and get ready. So, same as Fortnite. Customize your hunter with different classes such as offense, defense, support, and tech. Each player has unique ability and traits. That's a little bit different. The ability system adds strategy and depth to the Battle Royale game with the passive ability and the ultimate ability for each hunter, mastering each hunters' abilities is important to succeed. The game has many different weapons like assault rifles, submachine guns, light machine guns, shotguns, sniper rifles, pistols, and grenades. Each weapon has its own specifications like varying damage, range, etc. So on their page here, or on their wiki, you can go over time as a currency, the hunters, the weapons, all that type of stuff here. So the token, though, let's go down to the tokenomics. So the second token will be issued as an ERC20 token, deployed on Avalanche shortly. During the Token Genesis event, 10 billion second tokens will be created as the total supply, and this number will never be increased. No other tradable tokens are anticipated to be created or minted. Second tokens will be distributed as follows. So it says here 10% seed sales, 11.5% private sales, 6.5% public, 1.5% KOLs, 5% liquidity, 15% team, 10% treasury, 5% advisories, 5.5% marketing, 9% tournaments, 15% in-game, 1% airdrop, and 5% staking. So that's how the token is split up. Now they also have meta packs and time packs. They have an in-store game marketplace, cosmetic collectibles, so much stuff. So you can review tons of that on their webpage. Now, how to get this token? First of all, it's a brand new token. If you look at their snow trace, it only says 5 holders, 18 decimal places on this token, and a total supply of 10 billion tokens. Name of the token is second, and ticker symbol is also second. Just be aware of that. Metados is just like the overall project name. And besides that, like this token, it was just announced that they're getting a brand new central exchange listing very soon. So the exact date here is April 3rd, 9 a.m. UTC time. They're going to be listed on Gate. Now, Gate is not available in everyone's area, so we'll talk about a different way to get the token, but you can get it by downloading Gate from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or getting it on your PC, opening an account, going into the trade section on April 3rd and searching second, and then buying the token. So you can get it that way. It'll probably also be listed on other central exchanges in the future as well. But for now, all I see is Gate. But if you stay tuned to the next couple days, I'm sure they're going to announce a lot more. But then you can also, probably shortly after it gets listed on Gate, it's going to be listed on decentralized exchanges, or probably around the same time. So you'll be able to get the token by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet, whatever wallet you use for Avax tokens. Fund it with Avax. Go into the dApps and find Trader Joe's. It'll most likely be listed on Trader Joe's. And then go into the on their webpage, get the contract address, and then using their contract address, trade your Avax for the second token using that contract address. Now, you may have to set slippage if there's taxes, but you'll have to stay tuned. Follow their socials, follow their webpage. They're going to announce when they're listed on DEXs and what central exchanges and things like that. But definitely Gate, April 3rd. Check the token out. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.